Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Confirm heat resist of at least 50% and the fireproof boots equipped. This prevents instant death near vents. Once done, open the world map and set the volcanic ridge waypoint. This saves travel time. Make sure you carry 3 tracking tools: bait for lures, a scent mask to avoid aggressive mobs, and a binding rope to secure specimens. These items let you approach vents safely and collect the bestiary data without repeated trips. You approach the vent carefully. Hug ledges to avoid unpredictable lava flows and time crossings during cool intervals. This reduces hazards. Once close, deploy bait to draw the vent creatures out, then put on the scent mask so they don't flee. This combination increases capture success. After the creature emerges, use your scanner while keeping the binding rope ready. Record species, observed behavior, and vent temperature readings, so the bestiary entry is. You finish by returning to base and uploading the bestiary entry, verify images, temperature logs, and written notes before finalizing. If the scan fails, don't panic. Repeat the encounter with fresh bait and switch to a higher stability scanner. Consistency often solves data corruption. If the environment becomes unstable, pull back immediately, wait 1 full weather cycle, then reattempt. This preserves gear and ensures your next capture yields a clean, usable vent bestiary entry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.